Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cherie, and on this channel I share all things thrifting, home decor, and baking. I have a few things going on lately, and one of them being this fabulous banana bread made with sourdough. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Pulled this out about an hour ago. We're gonna have this for dessert tonight. For the weekend, my husband and I won a Wonder Mill Junior Deluxe hand grinder mill type thing that you hook onto the countertop and mill your own flour. So with the help of the kids, my husband and myself, we ground some flour, and it was hard. It was cool though. It was fun to get us all involved. Anyways, I am on this quest to find a great sandwich bread recipe made with fresh milled flour, whether that's with sourdough or without sourdough. So Saturday I tried out a recipe that I found, and it only had 4 ingredients into it. And I thought that's great for just the simplicity of ingredients and what you might have on hand. So I tried it out, and you're going to see how that turned out in this video. I was optimistic, and I would say that it was a fail, but I'll let you be the judge of that. So go ahead, give this video a like, and please subscribe and enjoy the video.
Look at that smile.
Stop. Go, Nars. Go.
There's like nothing coming out.
We have milled our flour with our hand crank mill, and now we have added 350 grams of warm water to the mixer, and we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we're going to mix it. Now we're adding 460 grams of our fresh milled flour to the mix. We're gonna mix till it incorporates and then let it sit for 10 minutes. It's now been 10 minutes, so now I'm going to add 1 packet of instant yeast and then knead for another 10 minutes. It's now been 10 minutes, so now we are going to test the dough to see if it passes the window pane test, which means you are gently pulling on your dough and stretching it and seeing if it will tear. So it is tearing, so we're gonna have this go for, let's say, 5 more minutes and test it again. Okay, so I'm running out of light here, so you can't see the light coming through, but I've got it stretched really thin and it's not ripping. So it has passed the window pane test, and it took very long to do, but it passed. Okay, so now we're going to put the cover back on for 1 to 2 hours while it rises. All right, it has been 2 hours and my dough is ready. So I have oiled my 2 bread pans, and I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on this cookie sheet and spread it around. And this is where I'm going to drop my dough and shape it. Okay, and then I'm gonna let those rise for 40 minutes. Okay, so they have doubled in size. This one is so wonky. It doesn't really fill my pan. I think these are gonna be more small loaves. So what we're gonna do is we're going to spray. I have a spray bottle. We're gonna spray these with water. And then we're gonna put them in the oven and spray the oven as well. And it's supposed to help with the rise. I don't know how much water, but. And then we're supposed to spray the oven to create a steam. And then put it in for 25 to 30 minutes. It's okay to laugh at me because this is so ridiculous. Like, I guess I don't understand why you have to split the dough in half if they're going to come out this small. Why wouldn't you just make it one loaf? Look at it compared to my finger. This one's really sad. Well, I hope it tastes good, but we're probably gonna eat this in like a day or two. Like, this is just ridiculous. So I'm gonna give this recipe mostly a thumbs down because of how small they are, but I haven't tasted it yet, so I might get points for that. Look how pathetic these are. Look how pathetic. That's just comical. Why wouldn't you just make it one loaf instead of split it into two? Look at it, so small as compared to your hand. Yeah.
I guess you're right. You should have done it in one, huh?
Yeah. I almost put it into one pan. But I decided to follow with the recipe, and this is what you get. We'll let them cool tonight and try them tomorrow.